Do you know that in the US alone, more than 40% of people who use LinkedIn take home more than $75,000 per year? Shocking to know? Hi all, welcome you all to another exciting video on our channel, and in this video, you will get to know about LinkedIn basics. You will learn about creating a LinkedIn profile that will be more visible to recruiters and businesses. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, we will be learning about the basics of LinkedIn. Topics we will be covering today are what is LinkedIn and why it is used, how profiles are created on LinkedIn, profile optimization, and posting introduction. So let's start with what is LinkedIn and why it is used. LinkedIn is a social networking site that focuses on professional networking and career development. You can use LinkedIn to display your resume, finding the right job, or training, and enhance your professional reputation by posting updates and interacting with other people. So now let's jump on to the profile creation process on LinkedIn. As we open LinkedIn, for creating a new profile, click on Join Now. Then it will ask for an email or phone number for registration, and I am using an email ID and we will create a password. Then click on Agree and Join. Now we have to enter our first and last names. When we click on Continue, it will ask for a verification to make sure that you are a human and not a robot. As the verification has completed, now it is asking about my location, the country, and the city. After filling in the details, click on Next. After this, it will ask you about your most recent job title. As I am writing Digital Marketing Specialist here, as you can see here, two more tabs added. First one is the employment type, so I will select full time from the options. Also, I have to add the company for which I am working and then click on Continue. After that, we need to confirm our email. A verification code is sent to my email. So I am opening my mail for the verification code. So here is my verification code. After entering it, click on Agree and Continue. Now it is asking me if I am looking for a new job. After that, if I want to add contacts from my email to send connection request to the people I already know. So for now, I am skipping this part. I will use them once I set up my profile completely. Now it is asking me for the details to get an application. From here, we can follow some companies and hashtags. Moving forward, as my profile is created now, if I click on the view profile option, we can see a profile named Robin Sharma, who is a digital marketing specialist at Propel Guru. Scrolling down, we can see that the profile strength is at the beginner level, and here is the dashboard which is private to you. Now, as the profile is created, and if you want to edit the headline, you have to click on the edit button. Here you can see it next to the more option. As we click on it, we can see our current headline. If you want to add your education details, you can add it here. Now moving forward, we have to optimize a profile so that it will be visible to more recruiters and businesses. If you want your profile visibility to be high, you need to optimize it properly. So let me show you how we will optimize the profile. Here in the profile section, you can see that your profile strength is at the beginner level. So you need to increase the level to increase your profile's visibility. Our target is to have a profile strength of all star. Let's see what is asking for to have a good profile strength. So the first question is, when did you work at Propel Guru? As we click on add work dates, here you can enter your start date and end date in the particular company. If you are currently working in the same organization, you need to click on I currently work here checkbox and then click on add to profile button. As you can see that the profile strength is becoming stronger. Now it is asking to add a profile picture so that your profile will be more visible. As you click on add photo, it will give you two options: use camera and upload photo from your desktop or system. I am skipping that part for now. After that, it is asking which university or school did you attend. Here we need to add a school name. Moving forward, it is asking the year in which I have attended school. After that, it is asking about my major field of study. Let's just choose management. Now it is asking about my degree. So I will choose a bachelor's degree here and proceed with done. So as you can see here, my profile strength increased to intermediate. Now my profile is more visible to the recruiters and businesses. After that, it is asking me to add 5 skills so that we can showcase it to the recruiters or to the searchers. It is also saying that adding skills will boost up my profile visibility by 27 times. So let me add some random skills to it like marketing, advertising, social media, digital marketing, SEM, and if you have any other skills, you can search it from here. I am searching for data analysis and then click add to profile. And as you can see, my profile strength is becoming stronger now. Now it is telling me to add a summary to my profile. In this, you should add some good quality content so when the recruiter sees it, the first impression of your profile goes well. It will also boost your profile's visibility. Remember to have a good keyword summary because it will help you boost up your profile SEO score. So the last thing we have to do is to add a profile picture for now. I am using a black picture. You can add any profile picture here and try to add a more professional picture. This will have a good impact on your profile. After adding a picture, you can see the profile strength is at all star now. In this way, your profile will be optimized and your profile visibility is high. Now let me show you what type of content LinkedIn is allow you to post on your profile. Click on the home button. You can see the start a post tab. Click on it. So here you can write your content and you can also add any media here. As you click on select images, you can select any images from your system to share. Also, you can add any type of videos or you can add documents. You can also celebrate any occasion here. You can see different options like welcome to the team, give kudos, project launch, work anniversary and new position. You can also post a job if you want to hire for different profiles in your company, or you can create a new job by clicking on it. As you can see, it is asking for job title, location, employment and description. After filling in all the information, if you post a job, it will also reflect on your company's profile. You can also create a poll. Here it is asking for your poll question and options. We can also add extra options. From here, you can also select the poll duration. LinkedIn is also providing an offer help option that will help your network and you can be the helping hand. We have different options here including general help, referrals, career counseling, resume reviews, introduction, volunteer work, etc. Now you're ready to post on LinkedIn and you are just one post away to get viral. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, hit like, share and subscribe to our channel. And if you want to know more about making an effective LinkedIn profile, you can watch our previous video. The link is in the description box below.